Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Adobe Lightroom password. For that, just go and open your app, and now you need to log out, or let's just say sign out from your app. For that, let's just wait till it loads everything, and then tap on this LR, and then tap on this your name, and there you will see a sign out button. Just tap on that, and then you'll be signed out from your app. And now you need to go and go and tap on this continue with email, and now it will take you to a website where you need to enter your email address. Then tap on continue button, and when it asks you to enter your password, here you need to tap on reset your password. Just tap on that, and it will send you a reset code link, and it will send you a reset code on your Gmail. Just go and check your Gmail app, and here it is. Just copy it and then paste it like this, and tap on this tick button, and from here you can reset your password. Just enter your new password and repeat the new password, and tap on update password, and that is how you can reset your password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.